Here's how you can start making some money on TikTok without showing your face and start generating a few $100s every single day. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video guys, we're going to talk about TikTok. TikTok has been blowing up like crazy over the last few years now, or over the last year or two. So much so that a lot of these other social media websites like, Instagram and YouTube and so on are trying to compete with the platform because they are gaining so much traction and so much users every single day. And, they are losing their own customers to TikTok. And one of the reasons why TikTok has been blowing up so much is because it's been so easy for a lot of people to get views. A lot of people are just, creating a new account, posting a few pieces of content and getting a ton of views very, very easily. And you could say like views nowadays is like the, internet or social media currency. And, with the more views you get, the more followers you get. And that's why you see people on TikTok getting like hundreds of thousands of followers in just a small amount of time. Obviously, this is not going to last forever. Eventually, TikTok will get to a point where it will become a little bit saturated. But at the moment, people are still getting views and still getting a ton of followers by being on the platform. So obviously, when you see that many people on the platform, there is always going to be different ways you can make money. So let's talk about some of the ways that you can make money on TikTok without having to show your face. So let's explore some of the ways that you can make money on TikTok. And stay tuned for number 4 because number 4 is the one that you don't want to miss. So number 1 is the TikTok Creator Fund. And the TikTok Creator Fund is basically TikTok's version of YouTube AdSense, where they will reward you for generating content views on their platform. So you have influencers who will post consistently on the platform and they are able to generate a ton of views, and TikTok will reward them for that because they are keeping people on the platform and they will get paid for doing so. But the TikTok Creator Fund is not, you don't get paid as much as you would, let's say, on YouTube, for example. I think you get something like 2 or 3 cents per 1,000 views. So if you want to make a really good amount of money on TikTok through the TikTok Creator Fund, you would need to be getting like millions of views per day in order to get to like $100 or $200 a day. So which can be very, very hard. But that's the thing with TikTok, because it's a platform where the content is so short and therefore you don't get paid as much because you only retain the attention of people for a short amount of time. The second way to make money on TikTok is to sell a product or a service. This is something that a lot of people do. They will post content on TikTok, they will build a following, they will post consistently, and over time they will have a huge amount of followers that will trust them, that will love seeing their content, and over time they will start selling products, their own products, to that audience. This is a really cool way of growing your own business, but this involves you having a product to sell. This involves you having a particular service to sell to your audience, which is not going to be the case for most people, I guess. The third way to make money on TikTok is sponsorship deals. So this one is a little bit more exclusive because those brands that will pay you, they are the ones that are going to approach you in the first place, and usually they will approach influencers that have a huge amount of followers and who are also getting a constant amount of views on most of their videos. So this is not really going to be for most people. This will be for those who are able to consistently pull in a huge amount of views on their videos, and even then they only them will be approached by those big brands to really talk about their products or their services. So sponsorship deals is a really good way of making money, but it is usually for those that have a huge following and are able to, as I said, pull in a decent amount of views consistently on their videos. And finally, number 4 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. It's a little bit similar to sponsorship deals, except that you are not the one getting approached, but you're the one who choose with who you want to work with. And you basically promote other people's product or other brands' product. And if you get a sale, you earn a commission. If you don't, then you earn nothing. But it's really up to you. You don't have any contracts or anything. And this is a great way of making money on TikTok, because as I've said, the traffic on TikTok is so good that if you can post consistently and generate a huge amount of traffic for the products that you're trying to promote, you can make a decent amount of money with affiliate marketing on TikTok. So how can you get started on TikTok without having to show your face and doing affiliate marketing? So let me show you a couple of examples that you can look at that do TikTok and affiliate marketing. You can gain some inspiration out of them and maybe get new ideas of how you could make money on TikTok as well. So how can you get started on TikTok with affiliate marketing and hopefully without having to show your face? So let me show you a couple of examples of TikTok accounts that are doing affiliate marketing, and some of them are very successful doing so, and hopefully you can gain some inspiration out of it and do something kind of similar. So the first account I want to show you is this account here called Woodworking Fun, and basically what they do is they post content around woodworking. A lot of this content is not really his content. He's creating those pieces of content from other places, sometimes from other TikTok account or from some other platforms such as YouTube or Instagram. But as you can see, they've built a huge following of 50,000 followers doing that. And if you look at the link below, you can see that they have an affiliate link to a woodworking program. So if you click on that, you will be redirected to this particular page here, this Linktree link. And the first link here is actually a ClickBank product. And ClickBank is an affiliate network where you can find a ton of different products to promote as an affiliate. So this guy here, as you can see, he's creating content around woodworking, posting it on his account, getting a few thousand views on each videos, and that's how he's driving traffic to his affiliate offer. So this is a good way that you could do as well. You could create content. Obviously, if you're going to do it that way, don't forget that you need to give credit to the original poster of the content, or else you might get into copyright issues. But this is not a pretty bad way of doing affiliate marketing using TikTok. And as you can see, he's not showing his face on there. The second example I wanted to show you is this account here called Daily Facts with an SZ, and they have like 1.1 million followers, and all they do is post like daily facts about certain things, about men, about girls, psychological facts, so different kinds of facts, and they've been able to grow a huge following of 1.1 million followers. And those videos are very, very simple to create. He's just looking up some facts on the internet and just reposting them on here on TikTok. He doesn't have a link in his bio. He's definitely missing out on some money. But you could do something very similar in any niche you want. For example, you could do something like that, let's say in the fitness niche, where you could post like quotes in the fitness niche, and then in the bio you could have an affiliate link to a fitness related product. You could do this maybe in the self-help niche, where you would post quotes about self-help, and then you could promote a self-help product. So there's so many things you could do similar to this. It's really about being a bit creative and coming up with a good idea. And the third TikTok account I wanted to show you is this TikTok account here by the name of Rachel Meters. She and her husband post different kinds of videos about products that they buy on Amazon, and they are basically making money through the Amazon affiliate program. Now I know that, as you can see on this video, she's showing her face, her and her husband, but there are different ways you can go about doing this where you don't have to show your face. For example, you can just film yourself unboxing products that you buy on Amazon, or you could simply talk about different Amazon products that you've bought or you want to buy. You don't necessarily have to show your face. Even though she's showing her face in her account, you don't have to do it. You just have to be, as I've said, a bit creative and come with different ways of doing what she's doing. And as you can see, she's built a huge following of 2 million followers doing what she's doing. And if you click on her link, you will be redirected to her Amazon affiliate page, where you can buy all those products that she's referring to. A lot of her videos get hundreds of thousands of views, like this one here, 8.5 million views, 300,000 views, 400,000 views. So she does get like a few 100,000 views every single day through her TikTok videos. I don't know how much money she's making, but she's definitely making a few $1,000s a day doing what she's doing. Whatever the type of content that you try to post on TikTok to grow, understand that you're trying to build free traffic. And when it comes with free traffic, you need to post a lot of content, okay? Because free traffic in itself usually takes time to build. It can take a lot of time to build a decent amount of free traffic that will result in sales for your affiliate marketing business. But one of the best ways to speed it up is to post a ton of content, okay? You don't want to be posting just 1 or 2 pieces of content per day. A lot of people do that. They only post like 1 or 2 pieces of content per day, or 2 or 3 pieces of content per week. You're never going to grow enough by doing that. You need to post a ton of content every single day, maybe 4, 5 or 6 pieces of content every single day, in order to grow as quickly as possible. Because the more content you put out, the more exposure you get, and the more exposure you get, the more clicks you get, and the more clicks you get, the more sales you get eventually. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video and you've learned a few things on how to make money on TikTok, especially without having to show your face. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.